Good morning class students. Our running topic is surfaces area and value. So from the 10.3 exercise, today I am going to explain some problems. These are very important problems. So listen well. Here is the fourth question from 10.3 exercise. The cost of painting the total surface area of a cone. Here one cone there. So one person, he is painting total surface area of cone at the rate of 25 paisa per centimeter square. Here the total cost is 176. Okay. Here one cone there. One person, he is going to paint to total surface area of a cone. So what is the cost here? 176 rupees at the rate of 25 paisa per 1 centimeter square. And what is its slant height is 25 centimeters. First of all, solution. What is the given here? Slant height L is equal to 25 centimeters. Here I don't know base radius and also I don't know height of the cone. Let base radius is equal to r centimeters and also height of cone I am taking as 8 centimeters. So this is height of cone and this is base radius. What amount? Total amount to paint total surfaces area cone is equal to 176 rupees. 176 rupees. Total amount is nothing but curved surface, total surface area of a cone into amount per centimeter square is equal to 176. Amount should be calculated on total surface area. So total surface area into amount per centimeter square is equal to 176. Here total surface area not given. And what is the amount here? 25 paisa. That paisa I am converting into rupees. It is nothing but 25 by 100 rupees. Is equal to 176. Is equal to 176. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Total surfaces area into 1 by 4 is equal to 176. Thereafter total surfaces area of cone is equal 176 into 4. What is the formula to find total surface area of cone? That is nothing but pi r bracket L plus r is equal to 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 28 plus 2 30. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 7. So it is 7 not 4. What is the value of the pi? Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into radius I don't know. Slant height is nothing but 25 plus r is equal to 7 not 4. Now 22 by 7 I am transporting to right side of the equation. So r bracket 25 plus r is equal to 7 not 4 into 7 by 22. Now I am using here 11 table. 11 2s are 22. 11 6 are 66. 67, 68, 69, 70. 4 remaining 44. 11 4s are 44. 2 3s are and 2 2s are. 25 into r, 25r plus r into r square is equal to 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 22. It is 224. So now I am transporting 224 to left side of the equation. So it is r square plus 25r minus 224 is equal to 0. Now I am going to split this equation. Fact already you learned in 8th class. Factorization. So by the factorization 224 we can write 32 into 7. And similarly 32 minus 7 is equal to 25. It means r square plus 25r minus 224 is equal to 0. I am splitting the middle term. R square plus 32r minus 7r minus 224 is equal to 0. So r square plus 32r minus 7r minus 224 you can write 7 into 32 is equal to 0. So from these two what is the common here? R is a common. So after taking R as a common, what is the remaining? R plus 32. Here also 7 table is a common. After taking the 7 common, here R remains. Minus into minus plus. Here 32 remains. Is equal to 0. So clearly observe here. Here R plus 32 there. Here also R plus 32 there. So once again I am going to take R plus 32 as a common. Into r minus 7 is equal to 0. According to exponents, what is the exponents here? AB is equal to 0. According to rules of exponents, if AB is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. So by using that, what we can write here? R plus 32 is equal to 0 or R minus 7 is equal to 0. So R is equal to minus 32 and R is equal to 7. So here we got two values. Whether minus 32 is correct or 7 is correct. Here minus 32, negative quantity. So measurements are never in negative. So R is equal to 7 is the correct answer. So I am going to take radius is 7 centimeters. So R is equal to 7 centimeters. So here slant head L is equal to 25 centimeters. Already there is question. And what about the radius? R is equal to 7 centimeters. So here I know the L value and R value and H value. So here I know L is equal to how much? 25 centimeters. And R is equal to 7 centimeters. But I don't know the value of H. I need the value of height. So here what is the formula here? Right angle triangle. According to that, what we can write? L square is equal to R square plus H square. Why? Because in right angle triangle we can use Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse means L square is equal to square of the base means R square. Square of the height means H square. L square means 25 whole square. R square means 7 square plus H square. So it is 625 minus 49 is equal to H square. H square is equal to 576. Then H is equal to under root of 576. So square root of 576 is nothing but 24 centimeters. Now I know the value of L and also I know the value of R and also I know the value of height. Now what I need here? I need the volume of the given cone. Volume of given cone. So here the formula to find volume of cone is pi r square h by 3. Pi r square h by 3. What is the value of the pi? Pi is nothing but 22 by 7. And the radius 7 into 7. Why? Because r square into what is the height here? 24 centimeters. By 3. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 8s are. So 22 into 7 8s are 56. Now multiply the both terms. 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. Now here volume of the given cone is nothing but 12,032 centimeter cube. So 9 Ninth class students, here is another question. Curved surface area of cone is 1159 by 7 centimeters square. Area of its base is 2544 by 7 centimeters square. Find its value. So curved surface area of a cone is 11595 by 7. Now this is a mixed fraction. Convert as a fraction. 8118 by 7 centimeters square. Next, what is the given here? Base area. Base area of a cone is equal to 2544 by 7. In cone, what is the base? Base nothing but circle. Base area means that is nothing but area circle. So pi r square is equal. That is a mixed fraction. You may convert as a fraction. By converting that, you will get 1782 by 7 centimeters square. What is the value of the pi? The value of the pi is 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 1782 by 7. R square is equal to 1782 by 7 into 7 by 22. 7 gets cancelled. 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11. 6 remain. 68. 11 6s are 68. 11 2s are 22. 2 8s are 2 1s are. R square is equal to 81. Then R is equal to root 81. R is equal to 9 centimeters. So what is the value of the R here? 9 centimeters. Here curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of cone. What is the formula 2 point CSA of cone? Pi RL is equal to 8118 by 7. What is the value of the pi? 22 by 7 into R value is 9 into L is equal to 8118 by 7. L is equal to, we can write 7 gets cancelled. 11 2s are 22. 11 7s are 77. Okay, do it. 9 9s are 81. 0 and 8. 11 2s are 22. 11 8s are 88. Remain 11 8s are 88. 11 8s are 88. Remaining 2 22. 11 2s are 22. 2 4s are 2 1s are. So L is equal here 41 centimeters. We know R value and also we know L value. What is the radius here? Radius of cone is equal 9 centimeters and the slant height of the cone is equal 41 centimeters. Now I need the value of H. L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square means 41 square is equal. What is the radius value? R square plus H square. It is nothing but 1681 is equal to 81 plus H square. So H square is equal to 1681 minus 81. So 1600. H is equal to under root of 1600. So what is the value of H? Height of the cone is nothing but 40 centimeters. Next, what I need here? I need the value. Volume of cone is equal pi r square h by 3. Volume of cone is equal pi r square h by 3. What is the value of pi here? 22 by 7 into the value of the radius 9 into 9 into value of the height 40 by 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So here 22 into 3 into 9 into 40 by 7. If you do the calculation, you will get 23760 by 7 centimeter cube. The value of the cone is 23,760 by 7 centimeter cube. A joker cap is in the form of a cone. Base radius 7 centimeters and height is 27 centimeters. Find the area of the sheet required to make such caps. For example, here one sheet there. with this sheet he is going to make joker caps. So to make this type of cones, how much of paper sheet is required? So required paper sheet is nothing but curved surface area of a cone. The area of the required paper sheet is nothing but curved surface area of a cone. Here base radius. What is the radius of cone here? 7 centimeters. And height is nothing but 27 centimeters. Here what is not given? I don't know the length of the slant head. In cone, to find the slant head, we can use L square is equal to R square plus H square. To find the slant height of the cone, we can use the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal. What is the value of the radius here? 7 square. Plus height is nothing but 27 square. So L square is equal to 7 square plus 27 square. So what is 7 square means? We can write 49 plus 27 whole square is nothing but 729. The value of the 727 whole square is equal to 729. Then what is the root here? 49 plus 729. 9 plus 9 18. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. So it is 778. L square is equal to 778. Then L is equal to under root of 778. You have to find the square root of 778. Already you know the division method in 8th class. So by finding the square root of 778, we can get the value 7. We can find the square root of 778 by using division method. Already you know about that method. You learned in 8th class. It is nothing but 27.892 centimeters. Now curved surfaces area of a cone is equal to formula pi RL. What is the value of the pi? 22 by 7 into. What is the value of the radius? 7 into 27.892. 7 gets a cancel. 7 gets a cancel. So by multiplying this we get 613.62 centimeters square. Now this is a curved surface area of single cone, but I need 10 cones. Required paper sheet is equal to 10 into, what is the curved surface of a single cone? 613.62. 613.62 is nothing but 6136.2 centimeters square. So area of the required paper sheet is nothing but 6136.2 centimeters square. So illustration, here is homework. A joker's cap in the form of a cone whose base radius 7 centimeters and height is 24 centimeters. Find area of the sheet to make such 10 caps. Find the value of right circular cone whose radius 6 centimeters and height 8 centimeters.